us around the world. My name is Skipper Kendall. That is first name Skipper, last name Kendall. I'm going to be your tour guide here for the next 3 weeks.
Really?
I'm kidding. It's a 3-hour tour, guys. I know what I'm doing. Kind of. Now, we are starting our cruise here in the Amazon rainforest, where it does rain 365 days a year. Though looking around, I am pretty sure we missed it. Oh well. Now, over here on the left is the beautiful Inspiration Falls. Now, a lot of people do ask me, Skipper Kendall, why is it named Inspiration Falls? And I will tell you that I have no idea. I was not there when they named it. But I have been told it's very inspiring. Everybody say, ooh. Everybody say, ah. Everybody say, Skipper Kendall, you're doing great. Skipper Kendall, you're doing great. Alright, I guess we can continue going on now. Thank you guys, that was so inspiring. In fact, I'm so inspired. We're going to head deeper into the jungle, into the Congo River. See how far this boat can go. Now, coming up ahead is boats, baits, and bites, which is a canoe rental and beach off, as well as a fun hangout spot for us, Skip. So I invited everyone I know to come hang out with us up here, and nobody showed up. That's embarrassing. Wow. Yeah, I can't see anybody. Canoe? Maybe they're hiding. You know what, they've got to be hiding from something absolutely terrifying, something frightening, something like a python. Wow, look at that python sitting in a tree. H-I-S-S. Oh, don't worry, guys. It's just my extended family. I'm going to say hi to them real quick. Give me like 2 seconds. Hold on.
Hey, it's good to see you. What did you do to my Jeep? No, I asked you to paint it red, not blue.
You know what? They got it to turn over. That's all that really matters. Sorry, guys. I am from Texas. That is normal for a family outing. Let's just make like a banana and leave. Now we're heading over here into the Nile River. This is the longest river in the world. Stretches on for Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, then you're in a boat. It's spelled B-O-T-E. We went over this the dock. It's okay, guys. I forget what I say too. Now, over here is an African bull elephant. Now, they do have the best memories in the jungle. Man, I wish I had a memory like that. Really help with this job. Also, fun facts about elephants, they do have the best memories in the jungle. Man, I wish I had a memory like that. It'd really help with this job. Now, coming up ahead here is the beautiful African belt, where we do have a wide variety of animals I'm going to name for you. Starting up there at the top, those are the long-necked cheetahs. Now, right below them are going to be the new guys that ran over Mufasa. Then right below that is going to be my new boat snacks. Then we have the Chevy Impalas, the striped horses in the back, the emo chickens in the tree, and that family of lions watching over that sleeping striped horse. That is actually how striped horses sleep, believe it or not. Eyes wide open. Oh, he's dead. Tired, dead tired. That's what I meant to say. This is a family-friendly cruise. You know, this is nothing like Bambi or The Lion King or Finding Nemo or really any Disney movie where the parents die. Anyways, moving on. Over here on the right, we have absolutely nothing. Yeah, I definitely do not see Skipper feelings in improving the entire rhino. Because by Celeste, I would have to do paperwork, and I don't know how. So I'm going to pretend I didn't see anything. Now, if I had saw something, probably would have told Skipper Felix.
I told you so!
Because I did warn him about that rhino, but I think he got the point in the end. Or really, what a rhino. Now, over here is my good friend, Old Smiley, and his girlfriend, Ginger. Now, Old Smiley's a sweetheart, but Ginger, you gotta watch out for her. Yeah, Ginger snaps. She's one tough cookie. Now, coming up ahead is the most beautiful view in all the jungle. And behind me is Tracer Falls. It is named after legendary explorer and adventurer and the founder of the Jungle Navigation Company, Dr. Albert Walt. If you're confused, don't worry, we'll go over that later. It's a real splash. Now, a lot of people do ask me, Skipper Kendall, how did you land your job here at the world famous jungle cruise? Well, it's plain to see. I took a crash course, but it didn't really take off, so I have been winging it ever since. But honestly, that's just the tail end of that story. I have gotten really good at smelling, though. Danger, smelling danger, which I smell right now. Okay, we're in a hippo pool. I need everyone to remain completely calm because these hippos will charge if they smell here, and all I carry is cash. So as long as nobody panics, I think we should be good. In fact, these hippos already had boat earlier today, so they're probably full. Actually, guys, if you listen very carefully, you might actually be able to hear those baby hippos calling out to their moms. Let's listen in.
Mom! Mom, I'm hungry!
It's a nature Beautiful, folks. Let's just continue on. Now, a lot of people do tell me, Skipper Kendall, your job is just so easy. A monkey can do it. But I'm here to tell you guys that is simply not true. Those are chimpanzees. I will tell you the difference between the two, but it's a really long tail. Now, coming up ahead here is my favorite chimp. Her name's Annette. She's quite a cat. She's hanging out in that box right there.
Hi, Annette.
She's a little shy. Now, her favorite animals are margarine flies, and I know what you're thinking. I can't believe it's not butter. Flies. Yeah, butterflies just are what they used to be, you know? Caterpillars. Oh, you guys, sorry, I will stop bugging you. Because it is time for the best part of our cruise today. The reason they made a magic kingdom and gone on my boat, the amazing wonder of the world.
The best story of the water.
Wow. That is not something you see every day. Unless you're me, who sees it every single day and has to do that every 10 to 12 minutes. Now, it does look like we're heading over here to the Mekong River now, deep in Cambodia. Now, I'm not going to lie to you guys, this river is Mekong. I'm nervous. I've never seen this simple entrance up here before, ever in my entire life. So we are going to head on in, because why not? Just keep your eyes open, because I'm going to keep mine closed. I'm scared of the dark. Oh, and if you find any treasure, I call tips. Let's head on in, guys. The gift shop is run by my friend Trader Sam, though it does look like he is out right now gathering some stock for us. Speaking of our stock, did you guys know that people will leave strollers full of stuff in the middle of walkways for people to take? Yeah, you know what they say, one man's trash is another man's surcharge. On a completely unrelated note, if you lost anything here in Adventureland today, it